it's quite a rare disorder or a rare condition. The reason why I say this is a rare condition is because almost every individual is born quite normal. Under certain circumstances, there might be or the chances of having this genetic disorder. In most cases, it could be due to a mutation or it could be due to familial inheritance. So it's quite rare because there are certain genetic disorders. There are certain genetic disorders which results 1 out of 10,000 live births. So it's quite rare. And the second thing is there are around 260 to 450 million people affected by rare disorders as of now, and around 6,000 rare genetic disorders are seen. So this rare genetic disorder, the function or the loss of functions of CNS, central nervous system. So the second most affected organ and a part of the body is the head and neck, because these two regions are the one which gets formed in the very beginning of the formation of an embryo or the primitive growth structures. So head and neck, central nervous system, brain, spinal cord. So these are the one which gets predominantly affected, and followed by the respiratory system, gastrointestinal tract. So growth, skeleton. So even with respect to the muscular growth and also the growth of the bone or the skeleton also gets affected, and the way it gradations. So this is what I wanted to connect with respect to how a genetic disorder can bring about that we would be using quite often when we discuss about the genetic disorders. The first most important term is the hereditary, which means we all know that these are the traits or these are the characters that are derived from the parents, grandparents, and from the four generations. So the second one is the familial. So what's the difference between the hereditary and the familial is? Familial is something wherein you can track for more than 3 or 4 generations. So it's just transmitted the gametes through generations. So maybe something like mitochondrial genome, wherein even we can now trace back our ancestor who's considered as the first female. So because mitochondrial genome does not undergo the genetic exchange, or in other terms, the recombination with the paternal mitochondrial genome. So ultimately, the females, when they have this particular mitochondria, which means they are the most conserved genome in their entire genetic composition. What happens with respect to the multifactorial inheritance is it's always not limited to the effect of a gene. And in most cases, it is due to the genome interacting with the environmental factors like stress or kind of lifestyle, diet, etc. So under this particular multifactorial inheritance, we'll be discussing about the rheumatoid arthritis, diabetes, cardiovascular diseases. So these are some of the examples that you can exactly understand how it happens and what are the complications involving those particular disorders. So hope you people understood the classification of the genetic disorders. If at all there is any doubt, you people can just check it out so that we can move ahead. Any doubts as of now? Can I take it as no and move ahead with the presentation?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Okay, so in a previous slide, we understood about the classification of